Hello, Team Crease. I am finally feeling better and am going to show you how to set up and how to use Issuu. I tried to have my face in here a minute ago, but it wouldn't let me turn it around, so I'm going to have to keep it this way so you can see what I'm doing. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is save whatever files you want to put on Issuu. So it's basically a magazine publishing site. So you can save into your stack different magazines, catalogs, things like that, that you can flip through easy. And one of the main reasons that Issuu is great, and the reason I started using it, is because it gives you a link to your stack, to each of your publications, I guess. And then you can easily text that link or email or Facebook message or whatever, and it will take your customers directly to your catalog. And the catalog is really easy to flip through on here, and it's just easier than going to your website to the catalog. It's less clicks is basically is what we're looking for. The easiest way to get them to see it. In fact, I'm going to send out links to the new catalog this year at the catalog changeover instead of sending out catalogs to save me on some shipping costs. So the first thing you want to do is go to issuu.com, issuu.com, and sign up. Okay? It's pretty easy. You can sign up through Facebook, easy peasy. So I've already done that, so I'm just going to sign in. So then it takes you to your sort of dashboard, I guess. The next thing you want to do is go to 31today, tot.com, and save into your computer what you want to put on Issuu. Now, they do have an app, but I don't find their app to be as user-friendly as the computer. So I haven't actually found a way to upload to the app, but it's nice for looking at. If I'm out and somebody asks me a question, I can go into the app and flip through the catalog super quick. So what I'm going to do, I've already done the catalog and January specials, so I'm going to go ahead and save the February specials and do those. So you go into the PDF and save. Now, this is a PC, not a Mac, so if you have a Mac, I can't help you. It's probably similar in whatever ways Macs work. Ha! That's useful, right? So I'm going to call this February specials. And of course, I'm typing slow because I have to use one hand because my other hand's on my phone. Okay, so we save the February specials. Now we go back to Issuu. And over in the right-hand corner near your sort of profile picture is upload button. And it will take you to here. Select a file to get started. Or simply drop your documents. I don't really know how to do that either. So we're going to select a file. So I need to find my February specials. Hey, there's Flat Emily. Those are the pictures I used to take Flat Emily to conference with us. All right. Oh, and I spelled specials wrong. Oh, well. Okay. February specials. So it's going to upload. Pretty quick, pretty easy. All right. So then it gets to this screen. Gives you a little preview. Gives you space to write something about your publication. So I usually change this. Sorry. It's hard to hold the phone and type. February customer and hostess specials. And then in the description, I don't write much because what I want to happen is over here, this is what it's going to look like when someone chooses to save it. And so under February customer specials, whatever you type in this description box will be there. So what I want to be under there is my website. Because you want people to be able to come back and shop from you if they see something they like. For instance, the other night, okay, wait, so you can see it there. Well, it'll show up. For instance, the other night I was on, somebody saved into my stack my catalog, our catalog, and so I went to look and see who they were, and look at their stuff, and they had a catalog for another company I'd never heard of that I was interested in. So I clicked on it and looked through. Well, nowhere did she have a website. She didn't have any way to contact her. Nothing like that. And Issuu doesn't give you a way to comment or anything. So you may want to put an email or something on here too. Maybe your Facebook group. That would be a good idea. Actually, I'll probably do that. A link to the Facebook group. So then you can just, so that they can find you. So if they see something they like, they need to be able to get a hold of you, or else this is all pointless. So then we go to, let's see. Yeah, public. Okay, so it's public. And then you can set it to publish on a later date. So, if I had a bunch of January parties, which unfortunately I don't, did I say January? I meant January. I might not want to post the February special yet, and so you could set it to post it at a later date. But I'm going to go ahead and just publish now. And then it's ready. So you can embed it, and you can share it. So if you hit create an embed, what it actually does, I think, hold on, I'm learning still too. Maybe it was under the share. So if you have a blog or something, you could link it to that, because we're not allowed to do that with our websites, I don't think, but you could do it with this. I think what I wanted, no, I missed it. So anyways, now I can't even remember what the other one was. Share. It said share. If you click on that, it will give you a link. And then I just saved the link in my memos on my phone, the little quick notebook memos. And that way I can easy copy and paste it into a text and send it to anybody. So then you'll get emails about when people look at your work, and when they follow you. I have 3 followers now, so they're going to see anything new I post on here. And I'm going to go back and see if I can edit to put my Facebook group on there. And that's it. It's really easy, guys. And like I said, I don't know if it's getting me anywhere, but 2,000 people have read my 31 catalogs. And I would never have that sort of viewership any other way. So it takes very little time to do it, and I think it's definitely worth the effort. So, but please make sure you put your website on it, because some people have saved my catalog, and they're 31 consultants, and it links them back to my website.